mrtvých bogova. Požútela slova i veľké rieči z červených bukvára. Aj môj starý
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We want to go to Bodva. We're tired and we just want to walk around the beach, really. So this is what I'm wearing today. It's just a little beach dress from Boohoo, and I'm wearing tights underneath because it came really short. I ordered a size 14, but I'm beginning to think that I should have ordered a size 16 just to give it a little length. I don't mind it being short too, just that I'm literally naked, so I just had to buy these tights from Primark to hold my other babies together. So I am wearing a sneakers though. I wanted to wear my sliders, but my husband said I should wear chunky sneakers. So you'll see the pictures of the full outfits, definitely. Let's go and explore Bodva and walk on the beach. They say the beach is not open yet. The beach opens from May to November. So you can't swim in the beach yet because it's still cold. The beach will open by May. But then we just want to walk on the shores and just maybe grab a drink, find something to eat. That's just it. Just finished having, is it breakfast or lunch, whichever one it is, but we just finished eating. The food is really nice. We are at Big Ben. This is by far the best food we've eaten since we got here. We ate pizza last night somewhere. I didn't film it. The pizza was also good, but this is the best meal we've had. I had steak with mushroom and chips. My husband had burger. The food was really good. So let me show you guys my view. So guys, this is the view. It's so beautiful. This is the view. It's just a little beach. Not so big, but it's so nice. So right now we just want to go down and just walk around the beach and see what's up there. Guys, look at the beach. I'm definitely going to take my clothes off and get into this water. I don't know how to swim, but I'll get into the water. There's no get as my body no go touch water for this trip. How? Guys, vacation has come to an end and I am tired. We are all tired. Ouch, my hair is wet. Perks of making your hair by yourself. I can just go back to the UK and take this hair off and make another one. Oh my god, I am enjoying it. But it's not that simple though, because it's not very easy. Anyway, everybody has had a very nice time. So 2024, 2025, I should learn how to swim because I am not coming on holiday again to be videoing those that are really swimming, to be the one that doesn't know how to swim. So I'm conquering my fears and I'm going to learn how to swim. I really enjoy water, but I'm afraid of water, so I should learn how to swim, guys. You can see the whole beach environment, but because the beach has not started functioning yet, they said the beach will start functioning by May. So you can see all the beach beds and all the scenery that makes beach beautiful. But I had a good time. I really had a good time being in the water and hi guys, we're actually about to leave the beach, but then that's when I now got this perfect view. Look at that. The sun is going down, so it's actually better to make videos now because the whole time I've been making videos but not really getting great videos really, and not really seeing what I'm doing. I'll just wear my sunglasses because I see better with it. But guys, we're just about to leave this place now, and I just thought to do the final videos. Let me not regret not getting enough content. So when I did my outfit check for the day, I didn't mention this shirt. By the time we were about to leave, I just thought I should throw this shirt on. Beach toes are so painful, guys. So I threw this shirt on and I'm really glad that I did.
Carstva mrtvih bogova, požutjela slova i velike riječi iz crvenih bukvara. Aj moj stari zna da su sve te pjesme previše dosadne, pa glupim četvrtkom psuje na stvarnost uz Montenegro jazz. Montenegro jazz.